Okay, we've got to prove that sine squared x minus 3 cos squared x is the same as 4 sine squared x minus 3. I'm going to use this identity, okay, which is one of the ones you're supposed to know. Cos squared x equals 1. Okay, and I'm going to, because I want sine squareds in the final thing, I'm going to swap cos squared x for 1 minus sine squared x. So here we go. Sine squared x, so the first one I don't touch, minus 3, 1 minus sine squared x. Right, ignore the right hand side because that's what I'm going to hope to get when I multiply out this bracket. So that bit doesn't do anything really. Right, there we go. Minus 3, which is what I want, plus 3 sine squared x is. Alright, which will make a total of 4 when I simplify. Okay, good. Hence or otherwise, work out the values of x between 0 and 360 for which sine squared x. Right, well, they've asked us the first part to use it in this second part. Okay, so this I'm going to rewrite as 4 sine squared x minus 3 equals 0. So let's get everything onto there, and then let's isolate. I'm going to need a little bit of extra room. Equals 3 over 4. Then I'm going to square root. Now then, sine x. Now when I square root, I get that, which actually, oops, what am I doing? Too bigger square root sine, there we go, which is root 3 over 2. Right, and some of you may recognise that as being one of those standard ones, but you can just stick it in your calculator. Remember, you get 2 answers, sine to the minus 1 of this, so you should get 60 and 120 for positive, and then negative is 240 and 300. Okay, and if you think about the shape of the sine curve, here we go something like that. This is positive root 3 over 2, going to get 2 answers. This is negative root 3 over 2, going to get 2 more answers. Okay, and they're all sort of linked about sort of 60 in here, so therefore this one's 60 in from there, which is where the 60 and 300 come from. And also, and I'll do it in they're going to be 60 in from 180, so 180 minus 60 is 120, and 60 on from 180 will give me that one, which is where the 240 comes from. Okay, the bit where people will mess up is forgetting that it's plus or minus. Okay, so just take a little bit of care there.